Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Gaurmantra Shiksha Ka Granth. I am your educator Nidhi Dua and I warmly welcomes you at this platform. So today is our practice session that will be based on P block elements of group number 17 and 18, and also there will be questions from the chapter coordination compounds. This practice session will carry 30 marks and each question will carry 2 marks, means there will be 15 questions. Negative marking is also present, that is 25%. Before starting this practice session, before solving these questions, keep your pen and notebook ready. You will allotted 1 minute time to answer each question. Be honest with yourself guys, and don't forget to mention your total score in the comment box. All the very best guys. So let's begin our practice session. So the number 1 question is this. Ligands which have 2 donor atoms and have the ability to link with the central metal ion at the 2 positions are called. Options are unidentate, bidentate, hexadentate or ambident. The correct answer for this question is option number B, that is bidentate. Next question. The neutral ligand is, options are chloro, hydroxo, amine or oxalato. The correct answer is option number C. NH3 has no charge but it acts as a ligand. So the correct answer is option number C, that is NH3. Next question. Coordination number of CO in COF6 minus 3. Options are 4, 5, 6 or 8. You have to calculate the coordination compound in the given complex. Time up guys. The correct answer is option number C, that is 6. As you know, coordination number is equal to the total number of ligand present in a complex. And here 6 fluoride ions are attached with the CO molecule, CO atom. That's why the correct answer is option number C. Next question. You have to write the correct name for this complex compound, and the complex compound is CrH2O whole 4 Cl2Cl. The correct answer is tetra aqua dichlorochromium third chloride. As you can see here, tetra aqua dichlorochromium chloride. But what you have to write first? Dichloro, because in alphabets C came first. That's why tetra aqua dichlorochromium third chloride. The compound Na2FeCN5NO is called. Options are sodium pentacyano-nitrosonium ferrate third, sodium nitroprusside, sodium nitroferrocyanide, or option number A and B both. The correct answer is option number D. Next question. Write down the correct name for FeCO whole 5. Options are pentacarbonyl ferrate 0, pentacarbonyl ferrate third, pentacarbonyl iron 0, or pentacarbonyl iron 2. The correct answer is option number C. Next question. Complex with Cn minus ligands are usually high spin complexes, low spin complexes, both, or none of these. The correct answer is option number B. As you know, Cn- is a strong field ligand and strong field ligands always forms low spin complexes. That's why the correct answer is option number B. Next question. The structure of pentacarbonyl iron is square planar, trigonal bipyramidal, triangular or none of these. The correct answer is option number B, that is trigonal bipyramidal. Next question. Which one of the following is not a condition for complex salt formation? Options are small size, higher nuclear charge, availability of vacant d orbitals or variable oxidation state. The correct answer is option number D, that is variable oxidation state. Next question. The total number of ligands attached to the central metal ion through coordinate sigma bond is called. Options: valency of the metal ion, oxidation state, coordination number or none of the above. Correct answer is option number C, that is coordination number. The total number of ligands attached to the central metal ion through coordinate sigma bond is called coordination number. Next question. Chemical name for Turnbull's blue is ferrous ferricyanide, potassium ferrocyanide, potassium cyanide or potassium ferricyanide. The correct answer is option number A, that is ferrous ferricyanide. Next question. Which of the following is a laboratory method of preparation of oxygen? Heating of KClO3 from liquid air, by electrolysis of water, or by Brenn's process? The correct answer is option number A, that is heating of KClO3. Next question. Which one of the following noble gas is most abundant in atmosphere? Options are helium, neon, argon or xenon. Please do it quickly. This is very important and very easy question. The correct answer is option number C, that is argon. Argon is the noble gas that is most abundant in atmosphere. So the correct option is option number C. Next question. The ease of liquefaction of noble gases increases in the order. The correct answer is option number A. Next question. The reaction of chlorine with CO in presence of sunlight gives. Options are COCl2, HOCl, HCl or COCl. The correct answer is option number A, that is COCl2. When you react chlorine with CO in presence of sunlight, you will get phosgene with the chemical formula CoCl2. So the correct answer is option number A. So this was all about today's session. If you are new here at our YouTube channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any query, you can mail us on tanejanehaofficial@gmail.com, or also you can contact us on the given number. If you are preparing for CSIR UGC NET, you can follow Neha Taneja ma'am on Unacademy platform. She is one of the best educator over Unacademy platform. On Unacademy platform, you will get daily life classes, structural courses, daily live and quizzes, and with one subscription, you will get unlimited access. If you are interested, you can go through with this detailed paid classes. While taking these detailed paid classes, you can use referral code NEHA, that is NEHA, and after using this referral code, you will get 10% discount on total fee. Thank you very much guys. I hope you all liked the video.